Slip-on only exhaust for a 18 turbo we put on a customer's machine. And this again is a slip-on only, so we'll do a little startup here so you can get an idea of what it sounds like. And again, this is the slip-on only. They do make a full exhaust, and that would include this head pipe as well. And this is their slip-on in black. They also make it in a polished aluminum, where these cans would be polished as well as these brackets. Or you can get the Cerakoted version, where it is all Cerakoted black. The tips, the ends of the silencers, the tubes, everything is Cerakoted black. And if you do that on the full exhausts, even this headpiece is Cerakoted black as well. So pretty good investment. Definitely adds to the sound and gives it a little bit more kick in the pants too. So if you're looking for exhaust, I would definitely recommend you look at the Trinities.